What's up, YouTube? It's Chillin' Manila. It's day 72 on the Road to Code 100 Days of Code Challenge. So today was about JavaScript DOM, which stands for Document Object Model. This is actually something that I've been taking advantage of the whole time, every time that we make like JavaScript projects that I've done, but I didn't really understand what was going on. So today I went deeper into it and learned about it. So the DOM itself is a tree of nodes / elements created by the browser. The top object is the document, which is on the window object, the browser itself. The nodes elements represent the elements in the HTML files, elements in HTML, and the HTML files such as head, title, body, h1, A for link, hr, ef, etc. And along with that is events that happen as well on the HTML. And basically, well, what I learned on this day 72, was how to examine document types by using console.log and then document.domain. Just to say document type is, you could use document.url. And the next thing that we went into was getting element by ID by doing console.log document.get element by ID, and then the parameters, whatever it is, something like header title or another HTML element as well. And then it also set up var header equal document.get element by ID, the example that we did with the parameters of header title. And after setting the variable into memory, you are able to change elements by using the value you gave as the element before the dot operator. I used header dash title as an example, so all you need to do is header title dot text context equal hello. This would automatically update the text with whatever you set as the input. This is such an easy and powerful method to change things in the DOM. It makes it a lot simpler to change things on the fly without having to write things the long way, to code things by setting everything to something. Lack of better words here. But another use case that we learned about on this day was getting elements by class name. And as we know, classes in JavaScript are pretty much syntactical sugaring, just fluff really. I mean, it's still an object. So the example in the code that I wrote in my vlog was var items equal document.get element by class name, the parameter list dash group dash item, and then console.log items, console.log items 1 and brackets for an array, and then items brackets 1 dot text content equal hello world. The variable was set in the memory in the first line, then called by console.logging. Then you can easily change the elements afterward. This is a recurring theme with what I've seen so far researching into the DOM. This method is also used for getting element by tag name. The query selector is also another thing you can do in the DOM. That method returns the first element that matches a specified CSS selector in the document. So things in the DOMs that it can change are things like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript mainly. And a lot of the upcoming topics affect those languages, like the DOM, AJAX, and RESTful APIs, etc. This is the last stuff that I'm going for to really understand JavaScript and be able to use it in a manner that makes it usable nowadays. Because if you don't got all that to make it as good as like a social media website or something, it just it just needs that. It's just pretty much not usable if you don't got like event handlers, etc. But yeah, that's it for today, day 72. Catching up, back on the grind as always. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.